saving the cat. Fall, scoffed dad. तो जैसे हम करते हैं ना, we people when we do something in a very good way, we just laugh that गिरना और मैंने गिरना है, ये हो ही नहीं सकता. तो similarly, dad also made fun of mother and said that fall, it's not possible. A climber like me, I am such a genius person. I am such a good climber that I can't fall down. Okay, so child's play. This is. He said that this is a very easy task. Why are you giving me warnings that I will fall down? No, I will never fall down. You wait and see. वो कहते हैं कि देखना मैं इसको कैसे बचा के 1 मिनट में लाता हूँ. ठीक है? He got out the ladder. When he started climbing the ladder from the garden shed, it slipped and he landed in the flower bed. In just 1 second, what happened? That ladder slipped down. और जब वहां पे गार्डन बना हुआ था, फादर उस पे आके गिरे. ठीक है? So this was the first page. See how he was boasting. वो कितने boastful थे. वो बहुत शेखियां मार रहे थे that I am such a good climber. It is just a ABC for me, very easy task. But as soon as he just had 1 step, the ladder fell down and he also fell down from the ladder. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, so my question is from Ravjot. Ravjot, what was the problem in the family that came that day? The father was stuck in the tree. Where are you, beta? चीटिंग करके कोई फायदा नहीं है. चितेश. The cat got stuck in a tree. Jason, who decided to help the cat? Father. So Madhav too. Who was giving warning side by side? Both of you come out, please. यहाँ पे आ जाओ. अगर आपसे ये नहीं हो रहा इतने से क्वेश्चन, then I don't think so. Come out, please. Madhav, इधर आओ. Please don't waste time, Madhav. Okay, father is climbing the tree and he is giving warning to himself that you will fall down. Mask, please. Mask. Mask. Ananya, who is giving warning side by side? Mother is giving warning. And Ruhani, what is the reaction of father when mother was giving warning? He was saying that I don't know where you people are sitting. Okay, Ravjot. Okay, sit down. Father was actually overconfident. He was sure that he can't climb down because he was such a good climber. Okay. So next question is Adgun. What happened as soon as he put first step on the ladder? The ladder slipped and he fall down on the flower bed. Is it clear now? Okay. Next one, please. This we rather loudly. 3 steps.
Never mind, said Dad, brushing the dirt off his hair and his face and his trousers and his shirt. We will try plan B, stand out of the way. Mum said, don't fall again. Okay. Fall again, said Dad, funny joke. Then he swung himself up on a branch, it broke.
Now he said that let's now try plan B. Plan A failed, no doubt. जो ladder थी वो नहीं work की. Then plan B. He said that okay, never mind, said Dad, brushing the dirt. Brushing means he was just wiping away. वो ऐसे सारी dirt हटा रहे हैं. कहाँ से? From his hair, face, trousers and shirt. So वो पूरे के पूरे he was full of dirt actually. We'll try plan B, stand out of the way. So he said that please stand out of the way, let me go and we'll try now plan B. A plan B कौन सा है? And who's giving warning and again? Yes. She's saying that don't fall this time, okay? So father said that fall again. Huh, this is not possible. Okay, I'm such a good climber. I can't fall down. It's a funny joke. Plan B is, मैं अभी बता रही हूँ. Plan B is that he started swinging on a branch. Plan A, Plan B, Plan C. Different plans are there. First plan was climbing the ladder. Second plan is swinging on the branch. ऐसे branch होती है tree की, तो उसमें ऐसे वो swing कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? But what happened? It broke down. जिस branch पे वो ऐसे खड़े हुए थे, वो broke. It just broke down. Now next two stanzas. Madhav one.
Dad landed Valor back on the deck. Mom said, "Stop it. You'll break your neck." Rubbish, said Dad. Now we'll try plan C. Easy on winking. To be a climber like me.
Deck का यहाँ में मतलब floor है बेटा. The meaning of deck here is floor. ठीक है? He again fell down on the floor heavily. Landed well का मतलब होता है fell heavily. बहुत जोर से गिरे वो कहाँ पे? On the deck. Deck means floor here, on the floor. Mom said, "Stop it, you'll break your neck." So she said that now please don't try plan C, otherwise your neck will be broken. Okay? You will break your neck. Rubbish, said Dad. I'll try now plan C. So he said that don't just speak whatever you want. Please stop rubbish. And now I'll try plan C. Easy and as winking. Winking पता है क्या होता है? क्या होता है? Yes. So he said that जैसे हम wink करते हैं ना आंखों से, so it is very easy. Plan C is very easy. Okay, to a climber like me. I'm such a good climber. मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं, it's an easy task. ठीक है? Now please close your books. Okay, third one I'll give you. Close your books, please. And Gaurish, you were raising your hand, I think earlier. Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am. I just raised hand for giving the for reading.
Okay, fine. So Arman, he was brushing dirt from where? His hair and face. Hargun, what was the plan B? Okay. Okay, plan B was he would swing on the branch and he would try to go to the cat. Okay. Madhav 2. Who was giving warning again and again? Yes, exactly. Sarang. So what happened? The plan worked or not, Sarang? The plan worked or not? The plan worked or not? What happened? Aganjot. उधर हो जाओ. Anji, plan didn't work. What happened? This time again he fell from on the ground because the branch broke down. Okay. Again, what warning was given by Mother Chehek? You will break your neck this time. Okay. Jason. Did the father listen to the mother or then what did he say? He said that he would try plan C. Agamjot aa jao. This is not possible for 32 students to read, beta. Please understand this thing. इस बार मैंने रोल नंबर कहा था एंड आई फॉरगॉट, आपने भी मुझे याद नहीं करवाया. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर से रोल नंबर वाइज. यस, लाउडली पढ़ना. ओके मैम.
Then he climbed up high on the garden wall. Guess what? He didn't fall. He gave a great leap and he landed flat in the crook of the tree trunk, right on the cat. The cat gave a well and sprang to the garden, and pleased as Punch to be safe and sound, so it's smiling and smirking, smug as can be. But poor old dad still stuck up the tree.
Now see plan C, everyone. Plan C, then he climbed up high on the garden wall. There was one wall here and he just went there and he climbed on the tree. Okay, he climbed on the tree. Then guess what? He didn't fall this time. Finally, plan C thoda work kara and he didn't fall down. He gave a great leap. Leap means jump. What is the meaning of leap? Jump. So this time he gave a great jump and he landed flat. And immediately वो कहाँ पे land किया? Where he had to land actually. ठीक है? So in the crook of the tree trunk. Crook का meaning पता है किसी को? Crook. Criminal in the last chapter. Here, what is the meaning of crook? This is a tree, na, like this bending part. ठीक है? जहाँ पे दो branches ऐसे अलग हो रही होती हैं. Okay, that is the crook of the tree. So he just went on the crook of the tree, right on the cat. Exactly जहाँ पे cat थी, he jumped over that area. The cat gave a yell. A cat was a little just poor creature, and the cat gave the yell. Sarang, please. So cat gave the yell. What is the meaning of the word yell? I think you have heard it so many times. Yell. To give, yes, to give a shout. So the cat yelled and just sprang on the ground. What is the meaning of sprang? Yes. So write down sprang, jump. So sprang means jumped on the ground. So next is pleased as Punch. Pleased means happy. Punch means Punch is one stick figure. जैसे वो कठपुतली बनी हुई है. It's a punch. ठीक है, वहाँ पे एक play होता है in Western areas in America. There is one character Punch. Punch is always very happy and satisfied. So this cat is also, it's very happy like Punch. Okay. Safe and sound because cat is now safe and sound. And it is smiling and smirking. Smirking means laughing. So it was just looking like the cat was laughing actually. Okay? Smug as can be. Smug means satisfied. Are you writing meanings, Raga? So smug means satisfied. So cat was satisfied. Agamjot bas kutli dekhi jaane beta. So now cat was very much satisfied, okay, because it was safe and sound now. But poor old dad, now it got stuck in the tree. He got stuck in the tree. Okay. So now there is no plan with father. I think now there is no plan D. अब mother को सोचना पड़ेगा plan A. ठीक है? Now please close your books, everyone. Close your books. Now go to last bench. Last bench. Online students, give me 1 minute. Now close your books and get ready to give answer. So the first question, Karthik will tell answer. Why are you raising hand then? He's so much confident that इसको पहले ही पता मुझे आता होगा. Okay, yes. Aditya. Aditya, what was plan C? In plan A also he was trying to save cat. Don't say ma'am, I'll give you turn. In all plans he tried to climb the tree. Truth, okay. He tried to climb the tree from the wall only. Okay, next one, Devang. Devang, this time he was successful or not? What was the goal of father from the beginning? What was the goal of the father? To catch the cat. This time he was successful or not? That was his goal, beta. Actually, okay, listen. Actually, his goal was to save the cat. That finally he did in plan C. It was successful. But what was the problem, Ananya? He himself got stuck in the tree, Karthik. What is the meaning of smug? Don't look at the board, please. Satisfied. नहीं मेरी तरफ देख रहा है. Akshara. What is smirking? Smirking. SMIR. Laughing. Okay. Saipreet. What is the meaning of pleased as punch? Pleased as punch. The cat was pleased as punch. What is the meaning? What madad karna? You were not listening? Then tell me. Arman, cheating is not allowed. Gorish, what do you mean by pleased as punch?
Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
Saksham Samarth, pleased as punch. Wait.
Yes, ma'am. Pleased means happy and punch means stick figure.
Yes,
Ma'am,
exactly, beta.
Ma'am, please, ma'am, एक time दोबारा repeat कर दो.
Pleased as punch means very happy. Punch is one character who stays happy always. So pleased as punch means happy like one character. Okay.
Excuse me.
Punch is a, yes, it's a character. It's a character. Happy as punch. Okay, now I think we have done all. Now please open your back exercise. Why was the dad sure that he wouldn't fall down? Jasmine. Why was dad sure he wouldn't fall down? He thought that. Okay, next. Same answer. Raghav. He was a great climber. He was an overconfident man. और कुछ ऐड कर सकते हो? He thought that. It is why was dad लिखा ना? Yes. Okay. Next, Harmeet, same answer. And online students, raise your hand, beta. Write in past tense, okay? Past tense. It was a very easy task for him. He thought that he was a great climber. You can add, okay. Now, final answer. I am going to club all the points. Dad was sure that he wouldn't fall because he thought that he was a great climber. It was a very easy task for him. It was a very easy task for him. He was an overconfident man. Okay. Dad was sure that he wouldn't fall because he thought that he was a great climber. He thought that he was a great climber. It was a very easy task for him. He was actually an overconfident man. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, next. Madhu, क्या कर रहे हो बेटा? Which phrase in the poem expresses dad's self-confidence best? Or
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, to a climber like me expresses that self-confidence best.
Harmeet. Correct, beta. Sabya, correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Stop it, please. Yes. Better write only phrase, okay? No need to explain. Yes, everyone, third stanza of the poem. First page, third stanza. A climber like me, child's play this is. It shows that he was overconfident. Fall again, a funny joke, yes. So you can write by using comma. ऐसे first phrase लिखना है, then comma. Second phrase, then comma. You can write like this. You will write phrases like this, everyone. First phrase, second phrase, जितने भी लिखने आप लिखते जाओ, ठीक है? Describe plan A and its result, consequence. Dialogues, yes. First plan and the result. Who will tell? Madhav. Consequences, result. Beta, don't say ma'am, please. You will get done. Just wait. Yes. Yes. Now speak up, Bishop. Consequence means result. Yes. In past tense, yes. Okay. In plan A, Dad tried to climb the ladder to reach the tree, but the plan failed because. Yes, Gaurish. Yes.
And the plan failed because the ladder slipped and the father fell on the ground.
Yes. Is it clear? Third question. और जैस्मिन कल नोटबुक्स कलेक्ट कर लेना, कल टेस्ट है तो कल कर लेना, ठीक है? नेक्स्ट प्लीज. Plan C was a success. अगमजोत, तो आप क्यों मिडल मैन बने हुए बेटा बीच में? तो किसने कहा दिस इज नॉट योर ड्यूटी? अब आई एम स्टैंडिंग इन द मिडल, मतलब जैस्मिन मेरे से मैसेज भेजेगी उधर. इज इट माय ड्यूटी? कौन तंग करे जा रही है उसको? Now complete the questions from your home.